What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. On today's episode we're going to be running the Thunder Tiger Sledgehammer .18. It's got a VRX .18 in. This is its third tank now. I did 3 heat cycles, no I did 4 heat cycles. I got it up to 230 Fahrenheit with a hairdryer with a sock around the head. Then I ran two tanks through it in my garage, in my shed. Then I did the same again with the hairdryer and got it up to 230. Then this is the run I just did for the medium speed. And the next one will be tomorrow guys, when I do the high speed passes outside the front of my house. There we go, so I'm going to start it up now. I'll put us back on once it's going. Stay tuned for the run. So guys, I'm doing the last tank of the break-in. Well, I've got one more to do after this, but that'll be the fast passes out the front. So today we're just going to be doing the medium speed. Of the Thunder Tiger Sledgehammer .18. Got to glue those back tyres on guys next time for when we take this out the front. This has got a VRX .18 which Ernie sent me quick brand new for .18's good value for money. Don't pay the £110 on eBay price. Shop around guys. On eBay you can find them. For a laugh guys, to see if reverse works. Nope, that's fine though guys. Need to tighten the spring on the reverse bit. Well, almost out of fuel guys, so we'll stop it here. This has been the Thunder Tiger Sledgehammer .18 with a VRX .18. Yeah, it's got Traxxas T-Max wheels because I bought this in a box. It was a kit one of the wheels was missing. I contacted the seller, but he didn't reply, so just add 2 Traxxas wheels that are 14mm on the inside, so I just put them on. So anyway guys, it'd be a great appreciation if you guys do me a massive favour and like, subscribe, comment and all that good stuff, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.